घोंगा घोंगा मछली मिला? Just a minute. I'm coming.
Me too.
Wait. Okay, my dad got a fish. He got a fish. Okay, Dad. See fish, Akshat.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. Hi guys, very good morning. So it's 24th November 2021. The time is around 8 something in the morning. I got up a half an hour ago. After that I got fresh and now I am sitting in my kitchen garden and I have been given a task by my wife. The task is, I would like to show you this. Can you see some fenugreek leaves? So I have been given a task to separate the leaves from the stem. So I am gonna do that. When it is done, then breakfast will be made, methi ka paratha and maybe cauliflower or something vegetables. I am not sure about that, but methi ka paratha is the surety. So I am going to do this task, guys. Okay, so this is how I have started my day today. Okay. So guys, the new task has been given to me and this task is to put this heavy bag in the room. Okay, so here we go. It seems to be heavy. Okay. अंदर रखना है डैड? Okay. Fine. Okay. और साइकिल भी रखना है? Okay. Fine. So let me put the bicycle inside. After that I have to resume my first task. The first task is to separate the leaves. Okay. Fine guys, so earlier I used to think that methi ka paratha is very easy. You need some methi leaves, but once you pluck some methi leaves, yet you have to do something else, like you have to separate these leaves from the stem. So this is a kind of hard work to do. So guys, I have completed my task. As you can see that I have separated all the leaves of fenugreek from the stem. Okay, and the stems are here, and look at here guys, what is this? Are you able to see this? green worm. Oh my god, in Hindi it is called keeda. Okay. Okay, it is done now. See, I have kept it here. Okay. Now check whether the work has been done properly or not.
Yeah, you did. Nice job.
Nice job.
Yeah.
And there is one green worm here
Okay.
in this.
Okay, I can see.
You can see? Okay, fine. So this is all. And which vegetable is being made?
Cauliflower and potato.
Cauliflower and potato. Okay. Boiled potatoes and cauliflower. So guys, Akshat has just got up. So Akshat, did you see any dream?
Yeah.
What was that?
It was a dream where I was on Chocolate Land.
Chocolate Land.
Hmm.
Okay, and what were you doing?
I was eating the chocolates.
You were eating chocolates. Okay. Okay. Come. Fine. So Akshat, last night Akshat was watching a movie that was related to time machine, and he was very much interested to use the machine. Do you want to use the time machine? Okay. So did you dream something about time machine?
Yeah. I had made one time machine in Noida.
Yes, I remember. So would you like to resume the movie? Actually, yesterday we couldn't watch full movie. It was time to go to bed. So we will resume the movie today. Yeah, Akshat? Okay then. You go get fresh. Meanwhile, I'm gonna do something else. Okay. Okay. So guys, I'm going to show you my breakfast. Here we go. So this is methi ka paratha, as you can see. So I've taken 2 parathas, and this is cauliflower, cauliflower and potato vegetable. I've taken aam ka achar, means mango pickle, and these 2 green chilies, as you can see directly, I have taken it from my chili plant, bilkul fresh taja, and this is little salt. So this is my breakfast, and Akshat is also having his breakfast. Yay, Akshat. Okay, you are having your breakfast?
Yeah.
Happy? Do you think you can finish this paratha?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. So let's start eating it. So let's get started. Let me taste it.
Daddy.
Wait a minute. Tasty. And good for health as well. Methi ka paratha. I think in winter season people should eat methi ka paratha. मेथी गरम होता है ना डैड? पापा जी मिर्ची में तो बड़ा दम है, तो गजब मिर्ची है, माय गॉड। एक ही बाइट में ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्या है,
बहुत तीखा है।
कमाल। ओके, so my father is also going to have his breakfast. This is my father's breakfast. Yes dad, your breakfast क्या क्या है? मेथी का पराठा,
आलू गोभी की सब्जी और रायता।
रायता, कद्दू का
कद्दू का रायता
यानी कि बॉटल गार्ड का रायता। ओके,
बहुत अच्छा है।
टेस्टी। ओके अक्षर, टेक। So guys, Akshat wants to ride his cycle, and Akshat, do you want this to be off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me try this. Don't do this. So after breakfast, why did you think of riding cycle, Akshat?
Because I like riding cycle.
You like it? Okay. Can I also ride cycle? Can I ride your cycle?
No.
Then whose cycle?
That cycle.
Okay. Okay, then I will ride my cycle. You ride your cycle. And
We
let's
will
see.
have a race.
Yes, we will have a race. Let's see who wins. What do you think? Who is going to win?
Me.
How can you say that you can win?
I will win.
You will win. Fine, Akshat, shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay, so Akshat has taken his cycle and I am going to take my cycle. And we will have a race, Akshat, okay?
But do you have a license?
No, I don't have a license of cycle because I don't require any license of cycle. Come on.
Without, you didn't even have a cycle license and you just crashed to my cycle.
No, cycle doesn't require any license.
No, it does.
It does. Okay. As a matter of fact, motorcycle requires a license.
No. Any cycle requires a license.
Any cycle.
Yeah.
So, do you want to ride from here or from the main road? Let's go.
Wait for me.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Come fast. Okay. Come.
We will have a race, Daddy.
So, Akshat wants to have a race. Okay. So, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Yes, I will win. I will win.
I will win the race.
Okay, okay. You on it. Fine. Okay?
Hmm.
Fine.
Daddy,
Yes, tell me.
do you know
Hmm.
every vehicle needs a license?
Every vehicle doesn't need a license. Okay? See, your-
Every vehicle needs a
this cycle
license.
doesn't need any license.
No, every vehicle has a license.
Rickshaw, you know, that tricycle, that. Okay, guys, come here. Okay. My God, look at here. One bottle guard has been destroyed. अच्छा ये है, यहाँ दिखाइए तो ये है.
यही घोड़परास का है।
ओके.
यहाँ पर पैर रखा है, ये देखो ना पैर के निशान।
ओके.
यहाँ पैर रख दिया।
ओके.
मुंह
तो कैमरा भी दिखाइए ना, कैमरा से भी दिखाइए.
मुंह लंबा होता है
हाँ.
और वहाँ पहुँच करके
ओके.
बतिया भी खा गया है,
अच्छा.
एक कद्दू तो खा ही गया।
घोड़परास मीन्स नील गाय है.
Here, I'll come with my cycle too. Wait.
Okay, fast. Come with the cycle. So Akshat, you wanted to see a snail, right?
Hmm?
Do you want to see a snail?
Yeah.
Come, I'll show you a snail. Okay, go there. Go there where grandpa is there. See, actually Akshat wants to see a snail. Snail is called घोंघा here in Bihar. घोंघा, I don't know in other languages what it is called. So I'm parking my cycle. It's very tough.
Grandpa.
Okay. So snail. Dad, any snail is there? My father is looking for a snail.
मछली।
नहीं घोंघा मछली मिला?
हाँ।
Just a minute. I'm coming.
Me too.
Wait. Okay,
Me too.
my dad got a fish. He got a fish. Okay, Dad. See, fish, Akshat.
Can I hold it?
Yes, but it might jump. Hold it there. Put it there. Why he got scared? Come on, take it. Take. Don't get scared.
It's moving a lot.
Okay, let it be. It has to move. It is alive. Okay, you play with it. Meanwhile,
We will wash it at home.
okay, and stay away. Let me also go down. I'm also going down to see. Akshat wants a snail.
Can I come?
Oh, no, you don't come. This area seems to be quite dirty. One more fish.
Yeah, give me. I want.
One more fish. Go there, it might jump. Okay, happy?
Can
One more fish. See, you got 3 fish.
Can we wash it and play with it?
Yes, you can.
Can I
wash.
throw it in the water and
Don't throw right now. Just take this fish home.
then you will see in the water, okay?
Snail is not here. ठीक है डैड छोड़ दीजिए काफी गंदा पानी लग रहा है.
बहुत है मछली।
Okay, so we बहुत मछली है.
वे 2-4 को है।
अच्छा
I want
अच्छा ये
fish.
छोटे हाँ.
Fish.
Yeah, there's so many fish. So Akshat wanted to see a snail, but we couldn't get. Instead, we got 3 small fish. Akshat is quite happy seeing the fish. Okay, Akshat, I'm coming. Okay, let's go there to the farmhouse. Akshat is right here. So Akshat, are you happy? So what will you do with these fish?
I will play with them.
You will play? Okay. Why don't you put them into a bowl and put some water too?
Okay.
Yeah. So, my farm. Let's get inside. So, my dad is saying that he got the snail. Okay. Akshat, why don't you stay away? You want to see the snail?
Yeah.
See, Akshat, dad is trying to find out a snail. Okay, see, this is a snail. So guys, This is the snail Akshat wanted to see live. Okay, now Akshat, can you see? This is what snail is. It is alive. It's not only a shell. The snail is inside it. If you want, you can hold it. You can hold it. Don't get scared.
What if it comes out?
I don't think. ये कैसे दिखेगा डैड? ये पानी में डालना होगा. इसको देखना है कि कैसा होता है, तो पानी में डालना होगा.
पानी में डालोगे तो ये मुंह खोल देगा.
Okay, so I'll show you today. Okay, we will put it into water, and then you can see. The shell will open and it will come out.
Also, these fish
Yes, yes.
in the water.
Yeah.
Now I don't know where to come up.
ठीक है, ये काफ़ी है डैड. दिखाना था. अक्षत को छोड़ दीजिए. काफ़ी है, इतना मेहनत नहीं करना. कम अक्षत, कम 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 कम, यू कैन कम. और ये सरसों का साग हो गया डैड? मतलब ये साग के लिए सरसों रेडी है? ओके. बिकॉज वन डे आई वांट टू ईट दैट मक्के दी रोटी, द सरसों द साग. अक्षत, you want to eat?
This fish moved.
Move. Hey, just put it into water. Wait a minute. I can show you live here. See, come here, come here, come here. We have water. We have water. Okay.
ये डब्बा में रख दो.
Yeah, okay, he put the fish here and put the snail here. Snail has been put, and now see the magic.
Move the snail.
It will come out. You can't see. You should go somewhere else. And fish. One fish is alive here.
Where did the
One
other?
fish. I can see this fish. This fish. Fish seems to be alive. Move, move, move. See. ये भी सरसों है ना डैड? ये नहीं, पालक है. ये नहीं, ये पालक है क्या है?
मूली मूली.
अच्छा, मूली है. ओके.
देख रहे हो, खाने लायक तो हो ही गया है करीब करीब.
So
It looks like carrot.
we have radish too. Okay, ये पकड़ी तो डैड. हम दिखाई दे रहे हैं, मैं और मूली.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ.
So guys, look at this मूली. Okay, एक मूली निकाल के देखते हैं, ये तो डबल है. Come on मूली, come out. Okay. Wow, fresh radish. वाह. इसको धो के खा सकते हैं.
हाँ, इधर भी है, पीछे पीछे.
ओके, बस एक काफ़ी है. एक अभी ट्राई करते हैं.
I can see the fish.
फिर भाग जाएगा, पानी कम कर दो.
ओके, भाग भी जाएगा.
मूली फर्स्ट क्लास है.
नाइस.
Fish is trying to run away, Daddy.
ये फ्रेश है. वहाँ मैं देखता हूँ.
हाँ, वो वहाँ तक गंदा पानी में से धो के लाता है.
वो धो के और उसे सर्फ साबुन से ऐसे ऐसे करके वो लोग साफ करके बेचते हैं.
Daddy,
यस अक्षत.
put the water a little down, so I
Okay.
can see the fish.
घोंगा देखते हैं. आइए तो.
I think the fish is dying.
अक्षत, लीव द फिश, कम सी द स्नेल. निकला नहीं. So we are just doing this because Akshat wanted to see. He saw the snail in the book only. So now he wants to see the live snail. So this is the live snail, but he wants this snail to move. So let's wait. Okay Akshat, we are just putting it here like this. After this, it might start moving. Okay.
Let's just wait here.
Akshat, I don't think it is alive. It's not moving.
I think we need to put it in water a little more.
Don't touch your mic now. Don't touch your
I think we need to put it in water a little more, Daddy.
No, let it be. One day I'll show you the live moving snail.
Let's take it home. What if it moves?
Okay, as you wish, you can take it home. Fine guys, so thank you very much. So it was how I spent my morning today.
Daddy,
So thank you guys.
Daddy.
Yeah, tell me.
see, Daddy. See, when you take it home, you have to keep it somewhere. But don't keep it on the bed. It can get up and move and put slime over the bed. You should cover something on the bed.
It might put slime.
Yeah, because slug is inside the cell.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, then Akshat, say bye to the viewers.
Bye.
Is this the way to say bye?
Bye.
And how about that? You earlier you used to say that subscribe the channel, this, that, blah blah.
अच्छा लगा
नहीं चला.
Subscribe the channel and like the video. And
Okay.
press the bell icon.
Okay, fine guys. So thank you guys. So see you in another episode. मैं भी अपनी शक्ल दिखा दूँ. Dad, could you please hold the camera? So guys, this is all how I spent my morning today. I will shoot some more footages, whatever I do in the afternoon or maybe in the evening. If I have to do something, I have to go somewhere else, definitely I'll shoot a video and that will be another blog. So I'm trying to put one blog every day. Sometimes it happens I put 2 blogs a day. So this is all your love and your support. So thank you very much for your unwavering support. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.